Hey everybody. Hey everybody. Welcome to my 30-day challenge. I appreciate y'all. I just wanted to talk about the reasons why I started this 30-day challenge, or my 30-day challenge for myself. I've been pursuing a lot of stuff online, so I figured, why not try to apply all this different stuff, techniques, tools, and systems that I've learned. And there's a whole bunch of things I want. The holidays are just around the corner. But in general, there's a whole bunch of things I want. Like I want to move eventually. And I'd like to have better relationships. Be able to do more for myself and the community. Make more money. What I'm doing is digital marketing and social media management for myself and other businesses. And we do things from like repairing websites, redesigning them, creating explainer videos, coming up with a marketing plan for you. We do all types of stuff like that, and you can get paid good money to do that. So getting paid for your worth and your time, getting paid for the skill sets you have, that's what this challenge is about for me. Just going all out and seeing what's my progress at the end of the 30 days. Document it so I could review it. But more importantly, I could share it with you guys. And that way people can see what I'm doing in real time. See how I'm managing or juggling all these different projects or things you gotta do in day-to-day life. I gotta get a job, either part-time or full-time, just so I could support myself and still be able to pay, the regular bills, food, my responsibilities, rent, phone, bus fare to get to work, anything else, and be able to invest, keep investing in myself, keep investing in my stock portfolio, invest into the company. Maybe I need a domain, which I do need a new domain. So investments there, investments towards people to do the work. You gotta pay for services, you gotta pay for graphics designs. So that's what my 30-day challenge is about. Just doing those things, seeing where I'm at the end of the 30 days. Making ads, prospecting leads, creating designs, interviewing someone, getting ready for an interview, the books I've been reading,